Guys, it is day 5 and I am tired, to be honest. I'm feeling like it's really hot, it's a really lovely day. But honestly, I'm just not feeling 100%. I'm gonna like push through it because it's our last day together and go with my wife soon, but at the moment she's brought me a coffee and yeah, I am ready. We're gonna head to lunch. I've just done the best I could with my hair. I'm still learning how to manage it, but I think it still looks pretty good. This is my outfit and yeah, we're just gonna head on to lunch. I forgot to vlog, but we had burger and chips, basically, both of us. Taz had like potato things. Was it wedges or potato things? The circles. Yeah, like potato circle things. But I had chips and lettuce and chicken and mayo. And Taz had, yeah, and Taz had ketchup and lettuce and chicken. And yeah, it was decent. We are now sat by the pool. And and I have a few kiwis because I've decided I'm like obsessed with them. I love them, they're great. And yeah, so that's the update. Feeling a little bit better than I did earlier, so obviously that's good. But yeah, see where the day takes us. Well, I am just getting changed. I'm gonna put on my grey shorts, like, because they're really comfy and things. It's not that warm anymore. It's about 5 something in the evening. Obviously it's our last day. We thought we'd play badminton or like just rent out something, like playing stuff tonight, and then just see how that goes. Yeah, so I'm gonna get changed. So I'm ready. It's not really much I've changed. I've put my hair in a slightly better ponytail, and then I've got a sports bra on along with just some shorts. It's cooled down quite a bit. Like, this is what we're working with at the moment, but obviously we've got some courts which would be really great to play sports, basically badminton or something. So we're gonna see exactly what equipment they have that we can rent, and then yeah. Okay, so we've given them €10 for the deposit, right? And it's only supposed to be 5, and he didn't give us change, so I'm hoping he does give us our full €10 back because it's the only cash we have. And well, I get paid tomorrow, but that's what we have for tonight, and obviously today's our last day. So we've got tennis balls and tennis rackets because there was the badminton ones were taken, the guy said. So yeah, just hopefully this all goes smoothly and he does give that back, because he said that, you know, we get the money back afterwards, but it was only supposed to be 5. He shouldn't have taken the full 10, so I don't know. But anyway, we're almost at the courts now, and yeah. Right, the ball has gone very far away, and we've obviously given a deposit, and we need to get the deposit back. So she's round, and now she's going to try and find the ball. But honestly, these courts are really small, so it's like difficult. I don't know. Like, it's fun, but these courts are tiny, so you know. Okay, I'm going to find this ball myself. I'm leaving the stuff down there. I'm just going to find it myself because, well, she can't find it. So I'm going to have a look if it's just her or whether it's genuinely lost. I just followed this cat for like ages, right? Because it was meowing. And we followed it and tried to give it water. It's fine, ants won't kill them, babe. They eat ants anyway. But anyway, right. So we followed it all the way to a sign that says Cat Cafe. Because this cat was screaming, meow, 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 I was thinking, oh my god, like maybe it needs water. And we followed it all the way and it's actually just having its dinner now in this cute little shed. It's just enjoying
loads of food and water down for them.
Yeah, which is amazing. It's just really good to see. No? It looks like Salem, but ginger. Guys, look at this cat. Hello, beautiful. Hi. Tara is just going to get her food. We've dropped the things back and we found the balls, so everything's okay. We've given it back and we got our full 10 back, so there was no problem with that. We are currently at dinner. So I've got onion rings, like chicken wraps with lettuce and mayo and Tabasco and barbecue ribs, and I'm trying to think in my head, like, forget what they are, because I'm really not a big fan of meat, but like I know I like them as long as I forget what they are. But when I get back to the UK, I think this will just sort of be the last time I'm really eating much meat anyways. So yeah, in the future I'll be going off it completely, and then everything will be much better and I'll feel a lot less guilty. So yeah. Back at the hotel on the final night. Well, it's like 9:30 now. Just a bit gone that, past that. What are we doing, babe? Tara's taking a migraine tablet. Now, then what are we doing? Oh. Okay, that's not helpful. Are we gonna pack and then go drinking, or is it gonna be too late?
We do need to do some pack, yeah. Otherwise we're just gonna be rushing in the morning. If we go drinking and then come to my pack, that's just gonna be a no.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
And if we have some time and my head is okay, then maybe we can go back up.
Yeah, so we're gonna pack because we leave tomorrow. We got to check out by 12, so we'll go pack, and then if there's enough time and if Tara's head's okay by then we'll go drinking. But it's already quite late, so to be honest, we'll just do our packing, and then just chill maybe. Yeah, we're definitely not gonna go out drinking and stuff tonight. To be honest, at this point it's just way too late. But we are going to just go on the balcony and smoke before we go to bed. And then yeah, I think it's gonna be a bit chilly out there now, so I'm just gonna do my jacket up. And then I think, honestly, I'm going to edit all of these videos on the plane, and then I'm going to upload them over the course of like a few days. I think that's the best way to do it, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. But yeah, I need to start using my light more, because look at the difference now. It's even better if I have it golden like that, and it's just perfect. It's just so much better, so I should just always hold it like that, and then it would just be absolutely perfect. It's brilliant. It's really good, to be honest. I really like it. It was really cheap. And then I put this suction pad thing on the back, so then like I can stick it to like a mirror or something when I'm doing my makeup, if that makes sense. Brought her. Has anyone seen The $1 Million Secret on Netflix? Someone gets given loads of money and then you've got to like do weird things and people's got to catch you out or something. I was watching it when I was half asleep. I'm gonna get copyrighted, so anyway, she's gonna watch that. We're just gonna chill out here. But yeah.